If you're thinking about getting the DJI Avata 360, we want to tell you 5 reasons you might want to reconsider, 5 things we don't like about it. The number 5 thing is the file sizes. Because it's got 2 cameras and you're shooting in 8K potentially, it does have 42 gigs of internal storage, which you will use up really quickly. So make sure you buy some big cards because this thing eats up those cards very quickly with the file size. The number 4 thing that we don't like about the Avata 360 is the fact that you have to process the footage before you can use it if you're flying in 360 mode. It gives you a lot of options, but sometimes you just want a nice shot and you can just put it out there quickly. With this one, you have to process the 360 footage before you can actually publish it. Number 3 that we're not a big fan of is the fact that the 360 view is very, very susceptible to any kind of moisture in the sky. So if it's raining, if it's snowing, or even if it's just super humid and moisture builds up, that's gonna really show up in your 360 shots. That's not really a DJI problem, it's more of a 360 camera problem, but it is part of this drone, especially when you're flying in 360 mode. So there are times when it's not a great thing to fly if there's a little bit of moisture in the air. And unfortunately, number 2 is the fact that the Avata 360 isn't great in low light for a couple of reasons. It tends to focus hunt, everything tends to look a little grainy, and also if you're using a strobe like you should be, you're going to see that in the shots, and that's not a great thing either. So the number 1 thing that we don't like about the DJI Avata 360 is the fragility of the lens. Now again, this isn't a DJI problem, it's a 360 camera problem. 360 lenses have always been, and probably always will be, very susceptible to scratches and things like that, unless they can create some AI that would take it out in the future. I don't know. But the fragility of this lens makes you really have to take good care of it. Keep the lens guard on all the time when you're traveling with it. Use the landing pad they provide, and make sure you don't crash. So those are our 5 least favorite things about the DJI Avata 360. It has some great qualities, but those drawbacks are pretty considerable. If you want to know what we like about it, go watch our other video, the top 5 things we like about the DJI Avata 360. Links up above. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.